Everyone saying dropshipping is dead in 2026. Is it really? If you are planning to start dropshipping in 2026, this video could save you lots of time, lots of money, and you will get very valuable information. Because the truth is, dropshipping is not dead, it's evolving. And only those who are know the new dropshipping model, they will win. And if you don't know, then you will be failure. So watch this full video and I will show you exactly what's changed, what you should to do to success in dropshipping, and how you can build a profitable dropshipping brand, okay, in 2026. As a beginner, if you have no knowledge, no marketing skills, no store getting skills, no problem. What's working in 2026? Called branded dropshipping, where you will use a supplier but you will build a real brand to start your business. You focus on unique product selling, fast shipping, UGC content creation, and marketing. When you will do this, people will think that wow, this is a very good stores, and they will think it's not a copy AliExpress store, and they will feel wow, this likes a real brand. So the question is how you will find a good winning product to build a brand. So go to AliExpress and filter like most valuable orders, okay? So go to AliExpress and then find a good trending product that is order volume 500 to 1000 with good review. Always keep remember that 4.5 star reviews must be, and please check also the customer reviews, what they are saying in the recent comments, okay? Finally check meta ads library if this product selling well, okay? If it has a good competitions and not much people selling it, and also in meta people are selling good, then it's a good product, you can scale it. What's actually dead? Copy product, bad shipping times, generic ads, and lots of bad customer reviews. And what's actually alive? Branding, marketing, fast shipping, the real UGC content, and good marketing strategy to build a real brand. So what's your action plan actually? Pick a unique niche that is right now evolving. Finding a trending product in the AliExpress which is good trend. Build a clean Shopify store. Organize TikTok video ads before paid ads. Use profits to test ad creative, not random, okay? So do this method for 30 days only, and then you will comment below what is the results, and I believe you will get very good results. So my friend, if you got any value from this video, please comment below, I will help you more. And please contact me from your experience that what you are thinking to start dropshipping in upcoming year or right now. I will definitely help you. And in the video description, all of my comments and contact details, emails, everything you will find, just contact me, okay?